If you don't like scary nature stories but love comeback tales, then stick around. This is the worst collapse and the longest comeback nature's seen. Ready? A century ago, the American chestnut ruled eastern forests, towering trees that fed wildlife, that fed livestock and people. In 1904, a fungus, chestnut blight, showed up, Cryphonectria parasitica. It infected the bark, cut off nutrients, and quietly killed tree after tree. Within decades, billions were gone, and whole ecosystems rewired themselves. Scientists didn't give up. Today, genetic research, careful breeding, and fungal control are all being used to bring the chestnut back. Slow, stubborn, and hopeful. It's a story of loss, science, and a fight to heal a broken forest. Follow for more jaw-dropping environmental science stories.